Are you ready to unlock the secret weapon that's revolutionizing SEO and dominating search rankings? Today, we're diving into AI SEO, the ultimate game changer for ranking higher on YouTube, Google, and beyond. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this video will blow your mind with cutting-edge strategies that'll skyrocket your visibility. We're talking about leveraging artificial intelligence to outsmart the algorithms, crush your competition, and get your content seen by millions. So if you're ready to future-proof your SEO strategy and stay ahead of the curve, stick around, because this is the video you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. First things first, what is AI SEO? AI SEO is the use of artificial intelligence tools and technologies to optimize your content for search engines. It's about using AI to analyze data, predict trends, and create content that ranks higher and drives more traffic. But here's the kicker. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's becoming the backbone of how search engines like Google and YouTube operate. So if you're not using AI in your SEO strategy, you're already falling behind. Let's talk about why AI SEO is the future. Search engines are getting smarter. Google's algorithms, like RankBrain and BERT, are powered by AI. YouTube's recommendation system, also AI-driven. These systems analyze user behavior, understand intent, and deliver personalized results. If you want to rank higher, you need to speak the language of AI, and that's where AI SEO comes in. Let's start with the foundation of SEO. Keyword research AI tools can analyze millions of data points in seconds to find the best keywords for your niche. For example, tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs use AI to show you search volume, competition, and even related keywords. But here's a pro tip. Use AI writing tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm long-tail keywords and questions your audience is asking. These are gold mines for ranking higher because they match user intent perfectly. Next up, content creation. Creating high-quality, engaging content is key to ranking higher. But here's the secret. AI can help you do it faster and better. Tools like Jasper AI, WriteSonic, and even ChatGPT can generate blog posts, video scripts, and social media captions that are optimized for SEO. But remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. Use it to enhance your ideas, not just copy-paste. Once your content is ready, it's time to optimize it. AI tools like Surfer SEO and ClearScope analyze top-ranking content and give you recommendations to improve your own. They'll tell you exactly what headings to use, how long your content should be, and even the perfect keyword density. And don't forget about YouTube. Tools like TubeBuddy and VideoQ use AI to optimize your video titles, tags, and descriptions for maximum visibility. Here's something most people overlook. Audience engagement AI can help you understand your audience better. Tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot use AI to show you what your audience loves, when they're most active, and even what they're likely to click on next. And on YouTube, engaging with your audience through comments and polls can boost your rankings. Use AI chatbots to respond to comments quickly and keep the conversation going. Finally, let's talk about analytics AI-powered tools. Like Google Analytics 4 and Microsoft Clarity can track your performance in real time. They'll show you what's working, what's not, and where you need to improve. For YouTube, tools like Social Blade and TubeBuddy use AI to predict your growth and suggest strategies to boost your rankings. All right, let's wrap this up with some actionable tips. 1. Use AI tools for keyword research and content creation. 2. Optimize your content with AI-powered SEO tools. 3. Engage with your audience using AI chatbots. 4th, track your performance with AI analytics tools. 5. Stay updated. AI is evolving fast, and so should your strategy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips like these. And don't forget, AI SEO isn't just the future, it's the present. Start using these strategies today and watch your rankings soar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.